In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel ChatGPT Subscription 2026 Full Guide. If you're ready to stop your Plus plan or simply want to prevent future renewals, I'll guide you through the exact clicks, explain what each screen means, and share a few quick tips so there are no surprises. First, access your account. Open your web browser and go to chatgpt.com. Make sure you sign in with the same account that currently has the Plus subscription. If you use multiple login methods, choose the one you originally used to upgrade so the system can find your active plan right away. Next, enter Settings. Look to the top corner of the page for your profile name or avatar. Click it to open your account menu. In that menu, select Settings. This opens the main account window where all your profile, security, and billing related options live. Now, navigate to Subscription Management. In the Settings panel, choose the Account tab. At the top of this area, you'll see a Manage option. Click to expand it. From the expanded list, select Cancel Subscription. You're not canceling yet. This simply takes you to the confirmation step. Time to confirm the cancellation. A window will pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Take a moment to read the notification carefully. It explains your access period and makes clear that canceling stops auto renewal while keeping your Plus benefits active until the end of your current billing cycle. When you're confident you want to proceed, click Cancel Subscription to finalize. Finally, verify everything looks right. You should see a confirmation note indicating your subscription will be canceled. At the top of the screen, you'll also see the exact date your access to ChatGPT Plus will expire. This date is important. It's the last day you'll have Plus features before your plan reverts to the free tier. If you like, jot that date down for your records. You can always return to the same account area later to reactivate Plus if you change your mind. And that is all for today. Managing your subscription is simple and ensures you stay in control of your account billing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.